Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from India to Singapore bank account. This is easy. In this case, when I'm using Wise, you can use with another platform to send the money. In this case, we are using Wise. If I here in Wise, we're gonna open our Indian currency. You need to open your currency, clicking this button, and then open an Indian currency. In this case, we're gonna click this auction, this currency right here, and then you can see there is this screen. In this screen, we're gonna select this auction called send. Once we select this auction, right here, we're gonna find the Singapore currency. In this case, it's called SGD. We're gonna select the SGD currency, and then we're gonna select the bank auction right here. We're gonna click this auction, and then we're gonna select uh, if this transfer will receive another person. We're gonna click this auction right here. If we are receiving this money for our personal account, we're gonna select this auction right here. In the screen right here, we're gonna select. We're gonna add their their email. Okay, the full name of the person that will receive the money, the bank name of the person, and the account number of this bank. And there you go. It's really easy. You need to click continue to send the money. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.